50 years. That's how long it's been since anyone's had the chance to get a look at the view from this penthouse in the Freshwater Apartments on Freshwater Bay, Claremont. Only ever being held by one owner for all this time, it's no wonder they never wanted to let it go. Just look at the view. Untouched but well kept for so many years, the apartment itself retains some wonderful character features, and coupled with the location, this really is something special. The floor-to-ceiling windows really connect you to the river from every room. The bathroom still has the original marble mosaic tiles, and you'll even enjoy washing the dishes in the kitchen with the most stunning treetop outlook to the north. This is a lifestyle property if ever I've seen one. You've just got to come and have a look.